All right, super quick project. This is an easy one, good for beginners. I have a bunch of green babies or dots, whatever you want to call them, that I've made in the kiln. This is just chopping up a whole bunch of different colors of scrap and full fusing it or putting it all on the shelf when I had a full fuse. I also have some really nice ones from Henry and Carla at SS Glass Art on Etsy, but you can also make your own. And so I just have a whole bunch of them here. And I have cut a 6x6 piece of woodland brown. And so that's going to be my base. I've got some white here. I don't even know what this is. It might be, I don't know, it might be Tecta. It might be something else. I don't really know. Don't really care. So what I've got here is a 5x5. And all I'm going to do is kind of roughly sketch out the shape of a tree. Let's see here. Can I get this to work? There we go. And I'm going to... that might be it. I'm just going to do a couple of cuts. And so I'm going to cut this glass, and then I'm going to arrange it on my base piece. And you'll see what I'm going to do, but it's super simple. I'm just going to spread these out so that this becomes the trunk and the branches. And then I'm going to put a whole bunch of green on there as little fun leaves. All right, so here's this piece. This fired really well, and now I'm going to put it on just a square slumper mold and slump it into a little dish of some sort. I think it's cool. You know, there's going to be a lot of texture on it, but that's all right. I think that actually brings it some charm. So I'm going to put it on there. I'm going to put it on a slow slump because this is, you know, really thick. It's basically 4 layers thick in some areas because of these dots. And so I'll take it up real slowly and get a nice slump on that, and I'll show you what it looks like when it comes out. All right, here's this finished piece. I just fired it in, it's still warm. It came out of the kiln. I just slumped it in this square slumper, standard square slumper. I'll move this out of the way. And this is the finished piece, so I'm really happy with this. I think the texture's fun. I think the design is great. You know, it's a great way to use up some scrap glass that you might have. I know for some of you, a 5x5 might not be considered scrap, but this was all scrap for me. I've got so much white, I don't even know what to do with it all. And then I just pulled out this piece of woodland brown and fired it. Got a little bit of kiln dust on the back here, but real pleased with the firing. It sits nice and flat. So hopefully you found this inspirational. Always look for my video notes to find firing schedules and any links to important suppliers and vendors. Hope everybody enjoyed this. Catch you later. Bye-bye.